If you are carrying the note on the sale of a property and the borrower has missed several payments, has failed to provide proof of insurance, or has not paid the property taxes, it may be time to foreclose on the property. Foreclosure isn't quick, easy, or cheap, but sometimes it's a necessity. Here's a quick overview of the steps you'll need to follow to successfully foreclose on a property in Texas. Step 1. You need to contact a real estate attorney. Foreclosures are complicated, and the legal requirements must be strictly met. An attorney will help guide you through the process so you don't make any mistakes along the way. Step 2. You'll need to send notice of default and intent to accelerate the note balance to the borrower. They must be given an opportunity to cure the default, usually at least 30 days, before going any further in the foreclosure procedure and accelerating the entire balance due of the note. Step 3. You'll need to send notice of the acceleration and foreclosure sale. If the borrower fails to cure the default within the specified time, a second notice must be sent. This notice advises the borrower that the entire balance due on the note must now be paid by a certain date or the foreclosure sale will occur. Specific notice of the trustee's sale must also be sent at least 21 days in advance of the foreclosure sale. Step 4. If needed, you should appoint a substitute trustee. Often, the trustee named in the deed of trust will not be the person who will conduct the foreclosure sale. In that case, a substitute trustee must be selected. Step 5. You'll need to post notice of trustee's sale and file with the county clerk. The notice must be filed with the county clerk and posted in the county courthouse for those interested in bidding on the property to see. Step 6. Notify IRS of trustee's sale. The IRS must be notified of a proposed trustee's sale at least 25 days in advance to cut off any tax liens on the property. Otherwise, the liens will not be removed by the foreclosure. Step 7. Have your attorney check the title for other liens. Your attorney should order a title search to make sure there are no other liens on the property that may affect your position in the foreclosure. Step 8. Conduct the trustee's sale. If the borrower fails to pay off the entire balance that is due, the foreclosure sale will be conducted on the first Tuesday of the month at a designated spot at the county courthouse within the hours specified in the notice. As the note holder, you can bid up to the total amount of the indebtedness to retake ownership of the property. Step 9. Have your attorney prepare the trustee's deed for its new owner. Following the trustee's sale, the attorney will prepare a deed from the trustee conveying the property to the successful bidder. Step 10. Evict the borrower if they refuse to move out. Sometimes, even after all of these steps have been taken, the borrower refuses to move out of the property. If that happens, you must file an eviction proceeding with the Justice of Peace where the property is located. The foreclosure process can seem overwhelming, but the right attorney will stay with you every step of the way. If you are carrying the note on a Texas property that needs to be foreclosed on and need legal advice, contact Adair to schedule a free initial consultation today.